Hey singers, welcome back to the channel. If your voice has been feeling sleepy, rusty or stubborn lately, well, today's video is for you. We're diving into vocal exercises that can tune your voice like a guitar string. No pressure, no stress, just you discovering what your voice can truly do. Ready? Let's dive in. First, let's start with the softest way to switch your voice on, the lip trills. They're like giving your vocal cords a morning stretch without shouting at them. So do this with me. Brrr, 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 brrr. This exercise teaches your voice to glide and not to fight. Next is humming. Place your hands slightly or lightly on your cheeks and feel that tiny buzz. That buzz is your voice warming up from the inside. If you can't feel that buzz, then that means that you are doing the wrong thing. Now, what does this humming actually do? Well, humming improves your tone and softens tension that exists in your throat. Let's do that again. Next, we're doing the X to Z breathing drill. S to Z breathing drill. Now, how do you do this? It's very simple. You just take a deep breath, you hold and then release with a S. Then try again, take a deep breath, hold and then release with a Z. Okay, now let's do this. Just like that, very simple. This trains your breath control, which is the backbone of your singing. You see that breath? It is your secret weapon. Now we glide like a quiet ambulance. You start down low and then slide up and then back down. Low, slide up and then back down. Okay, now what does this siren do? Sirens help you stretch your vocal range. It helps you stretch your vocal range gently, and it helps you to be able to achieve singing high notes without straining or panicking. So if you practice siren, it will really be helpful. Now, let's sharpen your diction. Diction is also very important when it comes to singing. Now try this with me. Red leather, yellow leather, red leather, yellow leather, unique New York. When you're singing, you don't want your diction to sound bad. Yes, it goes a long way to affect your singing, and the people hearing it, they will not like it. So try to adjust your diction. Red leather, yellow leather, unique New York. That's why whenever you are singing, you should know the song very well so that you'll be able to take each word properly as it should be. Your diction should be on point. Clear articulation makes your singing voice sound intentional and not mumble. We don't want to hear something like red leather, yellow leather. Maybe you're not pronouncing the words properly. Red leather, yellow leather, unique New York. Practice it, okay? We'll do a simple 5-note scale. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do. Okay? Start slow. Just focus on singing each note clean. This really strengthens your pitch accuracy. Okay? Now let's go. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do. 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 Just like that, it strengthens your pitch accuracy. For this one, we jump from a note to its octave above. What does this do? It helps you to be able to transition between registers without losing balance. Now, what do we mean? La la, la la. You see the transition from low to high, from low to high to its octave. It helps you to be able to what? To transition between registers without losing balance. So if you can really do these exercises, it will really help you. Well, if you enjoyed this mini drill, please do well to comment, like, share and subscribe to my channel. Do not forget, your voice is your instrument. Treat it well, train it softly, and it will surprise you. Till the next video, guys, do not miss it. Bye bye.